I have an interesting dish with chestnuts from Ottoman cuisine. Kestane aşı. Lamb stew with chestnuts. I have 200 grams chestnuts and about 200 grams pearl onions, 400 grams lamb meat cut into cubes, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 cinnamon stick, some salt and black pepper. First I'm gonna mark my chestnuts from the sides and boil for 10 minutes or until I can easily take out the skin. The chestnuts should be still hard because it's gonna continue to cook in the pan. To give some extra taste, I added about teaspoon sugar and half teaspoon salt. Meanwhile, I'm going to cut my pearl onions, and to do it easily you can just cut the ends and tops. Take out the skin as much as you can and put it into water and finish the others. And while they wait in the water, it will be easier to peel out. Next, I'm gonna peel out the chestnuts. I only boiled for 10 minutes and it easily comes out, but you have to do it while it is hot. And in some of them I had hard time peeling the inner skin and used my knife to peel it more easily. If some of them breaks, don't worry. You can also use them like that too. Our preparations are ready and we can begin to cook. First, I'm gonna begin to cook my lamb meat without touching on high heat to seal the meat chunks. You will get some nice color, brown color too. And after one side, you can begin to gently stir. And after sauteing for about 8 to 10 minutes, we can add the pearl onions and continue to saute. As you can see, I don't have any water left and begin to have some nice caramelized color, adding the 3 cloves of garlic and half cinnamon stick. You can add more, up to 2 cinnamon sticks. It really gives nice taste. Adding 300 milliliter water and going to cook everything until our meat is halfway cooked. I checked my meat after about 30 minutes. It was softer, but I wanted to cook it a bit more. And after about 40-45 minutes, it was more tender. I added a bit more water to cover halfway along with the chestnuts. Seasoning it with some salt, black pepper, and I continued to cook for 20 more minutes. And here it is. The water has evaporated and became a nice sauce. My lamb meat didn't have much fat, so I wanted to add some butter along with more cinnamon. This time I used a ground cinnamon. I turned off the heat and let it rest for 15 minutes and served. I tried this Ottoman dish for the first time and we all loved it as a family. The flavor of the chestnuts and cinnamon with the lamb meat and pearl onions really comes out dense, different and flavorful. My friends, I hope you give it a try and enjoy with your family and loved ones. If you have different recipes made with chestnut, please do share them with me in the comment section. I have many other Ottoman recipes as well as classic Turkish recipes on my channel. I will add some of the links down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode. Afiyet olsun.